I'm George. This is the Boston Whaler 190 Outrage, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour because it's on sale right now. Originally $490,000 and now it's going for 380,000 Hong Kong. It will come with this trailer and this full boat cover, and I'm excited to give you a quick tour. It's got a Suzuki 140 horsepower outboard engine with a Solus prop. And once we get up here, you have a removable seat, 2 cup holders, 2 rod holders on either side of the boat. You've got the live well here for your gadgets and other equipment. Got the helm station here with a cable control. You've got the horn, rear bilge, navigation and anchor lights, fuel gauge, speed gauge, tachometer, trim level gauge, courtesy light for lights under here where my foot is, and a spare live well and accessory switch. And you've also got the 12-volt cigarette charger adapter here. This anchor light is removable. If you just pull up, you can take that away. At the front, you've got 2 rod holders here and another 2 here. Cup holder on either side, and a big cooler which is integrated within the boat, and that's attached on. The anchor locker, you've got plenty of anchor chain and line, and some spare space for some other rope. You've got rod holders at the back here, and on this side we keep our trolling rods here and other bit of kit here. Back here you've got a little bit of storage space under the seat, and this chair is removable. Clip it in place and you're good to go. Boom! Just like that, we're back. Shutdown procedure is super easy. Turn the key, stash that away, and then right in here you're gonna see the battery main switch. Flick that and you're good to go. Here's the beauty. This boat's immediately available, so if you're interested for a sea trial or want more details about this boat, get in touch with us, China Pacific Marine, and we